Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate this really cute celestial inspired nail design. The first thing I'm doing is I'm going in with my first coat of base color, which I will leave all of the products used in the description box below. I'm going in with my second coat of base color. Now what I'm doing is I am putting a no wipe gel top coat, and I'm going to cure it for only 30 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with my Kiara Sky Gold Chrome or Gold Powder. Is it considered chrome if it's not actually chrome? I don't know. But I'm going in with my gold powder, and I'm creating an ombre effect where I'm not going all the way down the nail plate. I'm just doing the tips. So I'm rubbing it in with my little eyeshadow applicator, and the further down the nail bed I go, I'm not rubbing it in as much. I'm more so patting it to create that gradient effect. And then I go in with like a dusting brush, and I kind of just dust all of the excess powder off. And then I'm going in now with it's from Honeysnailsecret. It's called their Pro Gel Paint. And I'm just going in with black. I'm going to be using the black and the white. And again, I got it from Honeysnailsecret. The brush I'm using is also from Honeysnailsecret. It's a double-sided brush. On the one side, it's the longer striper brush, and on the other side, it's the shorter detail brush. I absolutely love Honeysnailsecret's products. She has a lot of really great stuff on there, and she's priced really reasonably. I would definitely go check her out if you're in the market for any kind of nail products. She's one of my favorites. And this brush, this brush is literally my favorite brush. This is my go-to brush that I use every time. So what I'm doing now is I'm just creating a little leafy design. As you can see on my other thumb, I actually did my right hand yesterday, and I'm right-handed. So because I did it with my non-dominant hand yesterday, it took me a lot longer to complete, and by the time I was done, I was so over it. I was like, I'll just wait till the next day to do my other hand, so that's what I'm doing here. And I'm just going in again, and I'm just creating another leafy design on the other side. Now what you guys just saw me do with the cuticle pusher is one of my favorite little tricks, and one of the best tips I can give you if you're new at doing nails, or even if you're experienced at doing nails. That little cuticle pusher, if you get any nail polish on your skin, or if you get any flooding at the cuticle, regardless of if it's regular polish, gel polish, I mean, honestly, like even hard gel or acrylic, as long as you're moving fast enough, use that little cuticle pusher and get it in there, because it will clean the hell out of some cuticles if you accidentally flood the cuticle. I've been doing that for years. I don't know if I saw someone else do it or if I just did it one day, but sometimes I'll see people using like orange wood sticks, and I'm like, those things are so thick. Y'all need to try a cuticle pusher. I like, even whenever I'm like done using it and it comes to the point where I'm ready to like polish my client's nails, I don't put it in the barbicide right away. I literally leave it sit on my station with me with my polish, because I know I'm more than likely gonna need it, and usually I do. And then once I'm done, then I'll stick it in the barbicide and sterilize it. But yeah, take notes. And I'm just doing the same thing on this nail that I did on the other nail. I'm just creating that cute little leafy design. Now I'm just going in with my dotting tool and just adding some little white details. And what you guys didn't see is that in between every finger and every layer, I am curing the nail to make sure that I don't accidentally smudge anything that I just did. I'd probably scream. So just make sure if you're doing one finger, you cure it before you move on to the next finger. Or even if you're doing layers, like I cured the leafy nail and then went back in with my white gel and added those little white details, and then I went in and cured it again, and then I moved on to the middle finger. So make sure you're doing that as well. Here I'm just creating a little sun. On my other hand, I did a moon, which I will show you guys at the end of the video whenever I show like the final look or whatever. But I'm just going in with my detail brush, and I'm just making the sun rays, the rays of the sun, I guess is what you would call it, a little bit thicker. And I'm going and making the actual shape of the sun a little bit thicker and just cleaning the lines up. That's basically all I'm doing here. Now I'm going in and I am creating a little star in the center of the sun. And I'm also going to go and add a few little white details throughout the nail, and then I'm going to cure it before I move on to the next nail. So this was my favorite nail to do. I had seen this design, well geez, this design's been out for like a really long time, I don't know, but I've always really loved it, but I never attempted to do it, and this was the first time that I did it. And honestly, I can say that I am obsessed with it and I love it. It's so cute and it fit perfectly with the celestial theme. I think this is probably my favorite nail out of the whole set. here I'm just creating a little star. And here you'll see I'm creating another small little moon. So I have a star, not a star, I have a sun on one finger and a moon on the other. I'm sorry, I have the sun on one hand and the moon on the other hand. And I felt like the little star and little moon fit perfectly with the celestial design that I was going for. And again, I cured it before I went in with the white pro gel to create those little details. This is the last nail, and at this point I was over it. I wanted to eat something, and so originally my plan was to do, because I'm an Aquarius, was to do an Aquarius constellation, which I'll probably do something else like that in the future. But I just went ahead and did like the easiest thing I could think of so I could get done, because I was over it at this point. Now I'm just going through with my no wipe gel top coat. I'm sealing the free edge. Make sure you don't skip that part. That part's really important. And yeah, so that's really all. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This is the final outcome. All of the products I used will be listed in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them below. And thanks for watching.